This 2020 Jayco JAYFEATHER 16RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 24 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 4, spare tire kit, water heater, external shower, air conditioning, slide-out, skylight, LP detector, DVD player, microwave, smoke detector, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Jayco JAYFEATHER 16RK is 4,753 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.